Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Availity Provider Portal. After signing into your Availity account, you will see the main dashboard and the top navigation menu. This menu gives you access to the most important tools you will use every day. To check a patient's eligibility and benefits, select Patient Registration or Claims and Payments from the top menu. Then click Eligibility and Benefits Inquiry. Enter the patient's ID number, date of birth, and the service date. The portal will quickly show the patient's coverage information and available benefits for that date of service. For claim submissions, go to Claims and Payments. If you need to submit a new claim, choose Enter Claim and fill in the required information directly in the portal. Review all details before sending the claim. To monitor claims that have already been submitted, select Claim Status. This section lets you track claim batches and check their current progress. For prior authorizations, open the Patient Registration tab and select Authorizations and Referrals, then choose Authorizations. The built-in wizard will guide you through the process step by step. You can check if an authorization is required, upload supporting medical documents, submit requests, and track pending authorizations from the same location. Using these features can help providers complete routine tasks more efficiently and keep important patient information organized in one secure system. Thanks for watching.